This is Parker from Starship 517XBA. My unit has been tasked with the mission of constructing the sun. Central to the mission is myself, the primary dissectologist, and a bare-bones crew of 4. This mission comes with a number of unique challenges, the first and foremost being that we must construct the sun without ever staring directly into it. Because of the danger associated with this mission, the only crew crazy enough to attempt it are a rowdy bunch with a very, very long rap sheet. We're talking theft, property damage, and disturbing the pieces. Nonetheless, we expect to complete this mission in a timely fashion. We are currently operating on a 48-hour timeline. However, we can tell from the pieces that this is going to be a very difficult project. Today we broke the bag to begin construction on our project. Instead of sorting the pieces, we are choosing a gather-as-you-go approach. We started first by collecting the yellow pieces and then moving on to the dark pieces. By the end of the day, we were able to construct the border and fill in some of the inside. Morale is high and progress is satisfactory. We have hit our first stumbling block. As it turns out, once you've done the yellow and the dark pieces, there are a whole lot of pieces left over that all kind of look the same. Because of this, we've been forced to switch strategies. We're now taking pieces that look like they belong near the border, scanning the border, and looking for an appropriate home for it. While it is working, it is incredibly inefficient. Progress today was abysmal, morale is low, and it's become incredibly clear that our 48-hour timeline was absurdly optimistic. Holy stars, this puzzle got hard. I'm not sure any progress was made today. I clearly tried, just did not succeed. I have completely lost my ability to distinguish between slightly different shades of red. Not that it would matter a whole lot because the coloring can be pretty unpredictable. You might think you're looking for a mostly red piece, but no, it's going to be a dark piece. Why not? Yeah, all my previous strategies have gone out the window. I'm currently employing the crash and burn strategy. I expect I'm about 1 day away from space madness. Sweet baby Pluto. It's become abundantly clear that our previous strategies are providing us with diminishing returns. Today, after some more flailing about, we've decided to shift gears and sort the pieces by shape. Hopefully this will provide us with some much needed strategy. We had a very exciting discovery today. We found a pattern. If you look at the middle ring of the sun, you'll notice that pieces tend to be stacked according to their piece shape. This is huge. It considerably narrows down the pool of potential pieces. Morale is back up and we are ready to go. We finally did it. The crew couldn't be happier with their work and they're really looking forward to some well-deserved time off. Would we take another contract like this? You bet your stars we would. here's the final result. I had made a moon puzzle previously, and we decided to go with a solar eclipse. Hope you like it.